Animal Fun is a program that was developed at Curtin University, and it's a very structured program which is fantastic for teachers and even for home-based programs, because there is the home-based manual that comes with the kit as well. So Animal Fun goes through different learning areas, so body management, locomotion, object control, so throwing, catching, kicking, body sequencing, managing your trunk and upper limbs, fine motor, manual skills, so scissors and pre-writing skills, hand skills, and social emotional development.
And what it has is a whole range of activity cards with all the different animals, since it's called Animal Fun, and they're all colour-coded according to the different modules that Emily just spoke about, and they're graded according to level of difficulty as well. And so a teacher might start, like, so Emu might be what they're working on for that day or that week, and it has the starting position and the movement that goes with it, and extra ideas about how they might incorporate that movement into the lesson, or how they might make that easier or harder for the child as well. So we've seen teachers use it as part of like a transition, so from moving from the mat to a tabletop activity, or as a bit of a movement break to sort of break up some, like a lot of that listening, or a lot of learning or sitting down, so they've used it for movement breaks. We've had teachers that have used it as like a bit of a whole body learning, where I think like an example, there's like one of a tree, and they were talking about trees, and so they acted out the tree movement, and then they went outside and found leaves, and then they wrote a story about leaves and trees. And so she really incorporated a lot of the cards that are in here into actually her lesson plans to have the movements that went with them. So it can be that you might have a child that specifically needs to work on a certain, say like the upper body strength, so you might pick a card according to that, or you might do it to fit into a lesson as well. They're really easy to use in the fact that you just pick up a card and you sort of run with it, and it's got the manual that explains it, in a home program for parents as well. So you can purchase them with just the cards or the whole kit, I believe, as well.
Yeah. It's a great whole body learning, so it's not just looking at your fine motor skills or your gross motor, it's giving teachers and parents that resource, and OTs that resource to do it all at once.